Hello everyone, a quick update here for the severe weather because we had some important changes over the last few hours since my last video. So let's just take a look here. There's this big moderate risk now all the way from northeastern Louisiana to Iowa, and a good portion of this is the enhanced tornado threat, a bigger 15% now and a 10% all hatched for potentially very strong tornadoes. There's the 2% and the 5% should be careful. The area for the hail is similar, a bigger hatched area for 2-inch plus in diameter hail potentially, and the wind area is almost the same. It's just slightly bigger, and still the 30 and the 45%. So please stay safe. And a regional outbreak of severe thunderstorms likely this afternoon through tonight across parts lower mid-Mississippi Valley, part of the Ohio Valley, mid-south. Numerous tornadoes, several which could be strong to intense. Widespread severe winds range from 60 to 100 miles per hour. Scattered large hail up to baseball size all appear likely. 20C update: widespread sequence of weather remains likely this afternoon through tonight over much of Mississippi Valley, parts of the southeast. So please stay safe. And as they say here, this intense negative tilt upper trough and 120 knot mid-level jet rapidly ejects northeastward over the central plains throughout the day. Associated deep surface low over Kansas continue to intensify as it lifts east-northeast tonight. So please stay safe. And the most critical thing is tomorrow. There's now a high risk of severe weather for tomorrow, Saturday. This is the second time a high risk is issued in March on day 2. So please stay safe. This will be extremely dangerous tomorrow. There's the tornado threat 30%, 15 and 5% and 10% as well. So and all hatched, the 10 and 15 and 30% all hatched for very strong tornadoes possible. So please stay safe, have a safety plan, and please just do what you can to stay safe and warn others. The wind is 30% and actually decreased there because I think it was 45% before, but 30% still hatched for hurricane force winds, 15 and 5%, and hail still at 30 and a 15% hatched for very large hail potentially. So a tornado outbreak is likely on Saturday across the central Gulf Coast states and deep south in Tennessee Valley. Numerous significant tornadoes, some of which should be long-tracked and potentially violent, are expected Saturday afternoon and evening. The most dangerous tornado threat should begin around eastern Louisiana, Mississippi during the late morning to afternoon, spread across Alabama late in the day into the evening, and reach western parts of the Florida Panhandle and Georgia Saturday night. So please stay safe. There's day 3 that there's a slight array for the East Coast. So if you want to, you can check our last video that we went into more in depth on the dynamics and everything, but we wanted to make this video now just to update on this high risk and the changes to the moderate risk. So there's the HUR here, shows those storms already starting. There already severe thunderstorm warnings there. This already started. So this goes and it shows like those supercells. As you can see, those shapes there, northern Arkansas and Missouri, and then this goes and continues into tonight there, those areas. So please have a radio and have a plan tonight to stay safe. Please stay safe. This goes later to Saturday, tomorrow. If I can just go in closer here, shows those storms, some in the morning, right? But in the main round of storms later in the day shows like those supercells there, especially like some storms mixed in the middle there have some supercell shapes. So please stay safe. This goes there and still strong later, strong line by Saturday night. So please be careful, and given the cape and the shear and everything that I showed in the last video, this likely to be significant. This is the cape from the her. Some areas are above 3,000 joules per kilogram. In some areas there, some very high instability and very high significant tornado parameters too, as I showed in the last video. Let's see if I can quickly get it here too. And there's like the 18Z maybe. So severe weather here. So still shows for today there, and those very high parameters later today into tonight. And if I can just get the right place here, so this not here. So let's go later into the evening if this allows me here. So especially in Arkansas, into Missouri, those very significant tornado parameters continuing into tonight. Then Saturday it starts there in the morning. Alright, some stronger parameters, but later in the day, especially by the afternoon, shows in Louisiana, Mississippi, some very high parameters there, and into Alabama later in the day. So please stay safe. Shows even close to 10 in some areas, some very dark colors like 8.5 or 6 or something. The NAM had close to 10, the HER around 6, 7, but please stay safe. This event is no joke, so just stay safe. We will have another video tomorrow morning to update on this, so don't worry, but please stay safe. Have multiple ways to receive warnings, reliable ways, and if you can, a radio, and please stay safe. Check the links in the description. We still have this dangerous wildfire outbreak happening in Texas and Oklahoma. Multiple fires are already happening there, plus dust storms. So please stay safe now they're elevated, and please just stay safe. Be careful. There are like some high wind warnings everywhere, blizzard warnings already, and blowing dust advisories, some flood watches on the way.